Hi there, I'm Bryant. I'm an adventure guide, fly fishing guide, and founding member of Echo Adventure Cooperative. I am the guide manager. I also help with marketing like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.
Friggin' awesome.
Our new upcoming videos here on YouTube are going to start emphasizing on Echo Adventure Cooperative staff, as well as guides and founding members. We are going to start diving into who we are and how we got here. I showed up in Yosemite when I was 19 years old with $100 in a backpack and ambitions to climb El Capitan. Throughout my first summer, I climbed as much as possible, pushing forward to try to climb as many walls as I could in the park. And now, at 33 years old, I've settled down with most of the climbing, and I enjoy taking visitors and tourists within Yosemite National Park and Stanislaus National Forest on adventures and fly fishing trips. We hope you tune in and enjoy the new videos.